Hey, it's KKKG. It's been a while, and yeah, another unboxing. As you can see here, there's two of them. Probably the original, then the recent one. So yeah, let's get this open for you guys. Ugh, stupid camera. Yeah. Stupid phone. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, there we go. There we go. You know what? I'll skip this. See you later. Okay, I'm back. I just skipped this through to get all my stuff. I think I made a mistake. Wait a second. Okay, this is it. For the other one. Here it is. Here's my job. Yarn. Okay, so let's open this. Well, it took a while, but Daddy got them. Yeah, that's it. Nice shiny chain. And it even came with the knit around. Pretty small. Okay, time for the other one. A little container. The chains. What the fuck? Oh yeah, if ever you guys wanted to get the code, it's BC10, and on the other one, BC10. It's all yours. Not like I'm gonna use it. I already have my first one. Yeah. Cool. Okay, well, I'll skip through and I'll show you them together. Well, here we go. You can see here, it's the exact same thing. Coding is the team with my airsoft team, paintball team, so, yeah. Well, after a while, it, finally came in. So, yeah, I'm happy. Hope you guys enjoy this, and, yeah. So I really appreciate it, because, you know, I only have 2 subscribers and I'm just starting out, and, you know, I actually wanted to post up some more airsoft videos, but I don't really have the money. So, yeah, if you could give it a like and a comment, and if you want to, you can subscribe. Oh, yeah. Bye-bye.